Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video by Police Insider, and the title of it is Transgender Predator Realizes Police Found Him. Ooh, I don't know. This might, I don't know, the LGBT community, you know, they might be a little mad about this one, but this is one of y'all own, man.
No, I'm getting arrested.
Take a seat.
Why? For that shit.
Take a seat.
I'm trying.
Take a seat.
I'm trying.
What?
On April 12th, 2023, Bloomington police officers were dispatched to a residence with an arrest warrant for Michelle, a transgender woman who was accused of sexually assaulting her 9-year-old daughter and 8-year-old son. Michelle earlier identified as James, but she had changed her name legally.
Hi there. So, we stopped.
My son?
Yeah, we stopped somebody that we thought was coming from this area.
Yeah, he came from here. He was just going to Miller Park to meet some friends, from what you told me.
Well, there's been some issues in the area with some stolen vehicles and some burglaries and some other stuff.
Okay.
So that's
He
why
just got home from school. He's been here, and he literally just left, like maybe 5 minutes ago, to go up to Miller Park.
Okay.
So.
All right. Are you Michelle?
I am.
Okay. Also, you go by Michelle, or you go by?
Michelle.
Okay. All right. Michelle, I need to let you know that you have a warrant for your arrest.
Okay.
Okay. Why don't you step down here for me? We'll get you some shoes. Okay.
What do I have a warrant for?
Well, you have a warrant for predatory criminal sexual assault.
Okay.
Is anybody in the house?
My son's gonna be here. What time is it? Can you guys call my fiance on the phone,
3:26?
please? And let her know that
Wait.
because she needs to come home and get my son.
Yep.
What's her number?
I can get it for you
Hold on.
right there. It's my
Let
love.
me double lock these.
Okay.
Step forward for me. Just a second. There you go.
Yep.
Paul one, we're gonna have one in custody.
I'm
I'm
gonna
sorry,
lock
I'm just
these so
cracking my
they,
knuckles. Sorry.
Fine, dude. Here, I don't know how.
Here, you just swipe up on it. Yeah, and then here, you can hit the middle piece. Yep, right there. Right there. No, you were on it. Right there. And then hit my love.
Look for my. Oh,
Right
that
there,
one.
Yep. And then call. You're gonna put it on speaker.
This we go. Do you need shoes?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we better get him some shoes.
Usually answer right now.
Hi,
Oh
sorry,
my
I
God,
can't take the
come
phone
on,
right now,
answer.
but if you want, leave a
Can you hold
message.
on one time, please?
Yeah.
You want me to bring my car around?
Yeah.
James's daughter had accused him of sexually assaulting her regularly over the several years that she had lived with him. She stopped living with him in 2022 when the last incident had happened. The 9-year-old boy also revealed that his father had abused him regularly since he was 4 years old.
So was it really breaking?
You know what I think is ironic is that the people that's doing the Police Insider or whatever, they choose to use the name James. You know, because he goes by, you know, another name. So I think it's funny that they're calling him, you know, his original name, not the new one that he got. Oh man, what a trip, dude.
Or is that a shit story?
No, that's a story.
Yeah, I figured.
So, go ahead and just take a seat for me, okay?
Let me call you right
No, I'm getting arrested.
Take a seat.
Why?
For that shit.
Take a seat.
I'm trying.
Take a
I'm
seat.
For
trying.
what?
You're on speaker, okay? This is Sergeant Shively with the Bloomington Police Department.
Hi.
So, Michelle has a warrant for criminal sexual assault. So,
Well,
she's going to be going to the county jail.
why is she getting arrested? There's been like nothing.
Okay, I'm just letting you know. Listen for me, okay? I'm letting you know that there was a warrant issued today. We are the middleman. I don't know anything about the case. We just go ahead and serve the warrants. Okay? So I'm letting you know that she's going to be going to the county jail.
Okay, where do
Well,
You need to get Brayden. He's gonna be home. Michael needs to come home now.
where's Michael at?
He was going to Miller Park. That's who you guys ran into.
Okay. So do you have Michael's phone number?
Yeah.
Why don't you make that your first priority? Call Michael and go pick him up. Unless, how old is Michael?
Michael's 15.
Michael's 15.
Okay, so can Michael just come back to the house and be by himself?
Yeah, he can watch them. He can watch them both.
Yes.
Okay, so why don't you just call Michael and tell Michael to come back home, and then that way you know where he's at.
Okay.
Okay? Do you have any? I mean, I know you got a lot of questions, but unfortunately, I don't have a lot of answers for you.
Call Dad. Call Brian. And
Don't be lost for words now.
Okay, so I need to get you some shoes.
yeah.
All right. So we're gonna walk in
Okay.
so we can get you some shoes.
Okay.
All right.
Everything's right
Okay.
there.
I'm gonna hang up the phone. Okay, ma'am.
So where do I need to go
Honestly,
for Michelle?
there's nowhere to go.
Do I have a bond at all?
Yeah. Well, your warrant is $1 million. So it'll be probably $1 million, 10%. So that's $100,000.
Yeah. Yes.
So
I'm not getting
that's
out.
what I'm saying. You don't need to go anywhere.
I'm not getting out, is what they're saying. Not till court.
Yeah, you'll have to go to court, and then there'll be some. She'll be able to make some phone calls.
Call
Okay.
Dad. Call Brian.
Okay.
Bro. $1 million bond? He messed up, boy. Oh yeah, he messed up. That boy gonna be sitting there for a minute, boy. $100,000 bond, or well, $1 million bond, but it'll be 10%. Oh yeah. She like, oh, where do I go to pick him up or maybe get a bondsman? Nah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I'm looking around. Yeah, I probably don't got 100,000 laying around. He gonna be, oh yeah, he gonna get real comfortable inside of the county. You hear me?
Okay. All right.
Leaving my phone here.
Okay.
That way you have the number, because I don't think you have Brian's number. It's in my phone.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up the phone now.
Okay.
Prior to his arrest, James had learned of the accusations made against him through his ex-wife. He then destroyed his phone, which contained pornographic images that he showed his children while abusing them. Some of those nudes were of his ex-wife, who had parted ways with him after he came out as a transgender woman.
Okay, so
You
we can
birds
walk
on
to
your
the.
pants right there. I don't know if you knew. I didn't.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you help me out?
Yeah, we'll walk to the door,
Yeah.
and then we'll just get whatever's there, okay? Because I don't want to dig around anything.
Nope,
It's not my
they're like
intention.
right there. They're like right there.
Okay. Well, what are they?
Shoes.
Well, can you describe them for me, and I'll just grab them?
I don't know.
Okay, let's
They're
walk
like
up.
literally right inside the door here. Literally right.
And then we'll
inside
put
the
your
door.
phone inside.
I'm trying to ask Maz if he needs the phone. Hey, do you need the phone?
It does not.
Okay, never mind. All right, cool. All right.
The dogs are way up in the front porch, locked up. So.
Which ones you want?
Roger, Dodger. Yep.
The ones here, they're all the way up. Okay.
Can we just pick like one of these?
Yeah, just let me like that. These little shoes right now, guys. That's fine.
Can you put them on just like this?
Yeah, I think so.
Just hold on, I'll help you. Where would you like me to keep your phone?
Just right there.
Okay.
Brian, I appreciate it. I'm trying to be good with y'all.
You're fine, dude.
I'm a lady.
Sorry,
Okay.
sorry. How do you want us to secure this?
Just shut it and tell me.
Just shut it.
The cop violator. Hey. Oh yeah, cop violator, boy.
Brian, I appreciate it. I'm trying to be good with you.
You're fine, dude.
I'm a lady.
Sorry,
Okay.
sorry. How do you want us to secure this?
Just shut it and tell me.
Just shut it. That's secure.
Yo, you see the other cop's face? The one that's coming out? Yo, he's about to start laughing. Yo, boy. Yo, this shit is crazy, son. This world nowadays, boy. Yo, boy, look at this. Look at the cop face.
I'm trying to be good with y'all.
Yeah, fine, dude.
I'm a lady.
Sorry. How do you want us to secure this?
Just shut it and tell me.
Just shut it. That's secured. All right.
The walk of shame.
Am I going this side or that side?
Other side.
This side?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, they gonna like him in the
I know
county.
you're not. Just go ahead and take a seat in the front. Yep.
I'll lend to her and eat just real quick while we wait for the confirmation.
Okay.
Can somebody make sure that they wait here till my oldest gets here?
Is that Michael?
Yeah. Wait till he gets here. That way, my other son's gonna be getting here like any minute off the bus. Cause it's what 3:30ish. Cause he gets here at 3:45. So I don't want him.
Oh, there's a bus right there. It's 3:33.
Yeah, cause my youngest gets off the bus here any minute. I don't want him to be alone.
Okay. So my thing is, I'm gonna wait for a little bit. Okay.
I mean, he
But
should be here any minute. He's probably coming
which
back right now.
how is it? You said Michael, right?
Michael, yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, my oldest, the one you guys ran into.
Hold on, Manny.
Yeah.
During interrogation, James alleged that he could never abuse his children because he himself was abused by his elder brother when he was a child and knew how it felt. The officer told him that in his experience, the ones inflicting trauma had often faced a severe form of it in their past.
I hyperventilate in situations, so I'm trying to just breathe.
What's the zip code out here? Give me a second. I gotta secure my firearm, then I'll let you out.
Since when they get to sit in the front?
I have a seat there, unless you want to stand.
You said unless I want to stand?
Yeah. Michelle is ready.
James even argued that he could not sustain an erection to even successfully do such a thing because he was on HRT hormones. James was indicted on 5 counts of predatory criminal sexual assault. After the indictment, he was issued a $1 million bond warrant.
Yo, boy, yo, police insider, yo, I like y'all shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I like y'all content, bro. Yo, the whole time they calling him Jay. Hey, you know how sensitive that community get, man. The cop said, "Oh, my bad, bro," something like that. He's like, "I'm a lady." He said, "Oh, my bad."
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.